This is my elf drone. The colorful elf is what they call it. Now, there was no trimming, no nothing. All I did was calibrate it and flew it. It's not a brushless motor. It's a brush motor. Great little quad drone. I keep on saying quad. But you can't beat it for the price. Can take a beating. You'll see later on. It's beautiful looking at night. Video does not give it any justice, let me tell you. And I love to night fly. But here it comes. So I'm going to get off narration and let this thing roll. Well, I like flying and I'm pretty silent. Oh, baby, get up. Ooh. A little fast, I'm still going. Whoa, no quads were harmed. It's still cricket. Vex is still taking videos. Let's see if it'll go up. Oh, the camera fell off. Put the camera back on. This is funny. I think she go up. There she goes. You seen it? She just crashed. This is why I like her. This thing just went flying into the wall, come into my back porch. I want to pick it up, but we're still on. You can't beat that. I'm still laughing because I was going so fast with it. I didn't want to take the turn. But yeah, it's got some speed. Battery's dead. Alright, we had some good fun with this. I hope you all enjoy it too. It's supposed to happen up and down, huh? Let's hope it doesn't break it. Let's see.